this whole week, it's going to be so wild. At nakakakaba kasi hindi pa talaga kami nakatungtong. Dito pa kami sa kaba. But knowing the creatives of this musical, alam ko na magagawa namin to. Magagawa namin to. Karapat dapat ka.
May singilang pangarap, makikiupas sa buwang sa puso mo.
Good morning, Barkadas! It's the first day of the month of September, my birth month. Today is a rainy day. Walang angkas-angkas ngayon. Ang tanging panalangin ko na lang ay sana lang talaga hindi baha sa aking mga dadaanan. Siyempre, alam naman natin na laging bumabaha sa Pilipinas. Nasaan yung budget sa flood control? Kami yung kinokontrol nyo eh. Ay, o, diba, umagang-umaga, puro tayo reklamo. Diba ganun naman talaga dapat? Kapag may nakitang mali, magreklamo. Kapag may nakitang katiwalian, magreklamo. Kasi kung hindi tayo magrereklamo, para saan pa ang boses natin? Para makapaglikom ng collective action, para makapagpabago ng gusto nating baguhing mundo at sistema. And I think sobrang sarap lang din sa pakiramdam na ang ginagawa ko ngayon ay Bar Boys the Musical, which talks about these kinds of issues that are very relevant and very important sa panahon ngayon talaga. Not that I'm promoting, well, isa rin yun. I swear, kahit wala siguro ako dito sa Bar Boys, kahit hindi ako, oops. Sorry, nandyan na kayo. Dyan na muna kayo, be. Oo, dyan na muna kayo. Na-stress na ako eh. Good morning!
Maulan na umaga!
Maulan na umaga at winter clothes ng mga people.
Malalaman mong addict ka na sa theater kung sa Monday to Friday nagre-rehearse na kayo, tas Saturday, Sunday lang pahinga nyo. Pero sa gitna ng pahinga na yun, parang hinahanap ng katawan mo yung pagod mula sa rehearsals. I don't know if it's just me, pero baka ako lang to. Baka, sige, wag ko na kayong idamay, ako lang to.
Gusto ko muna kayong isama doon kung paano namin binuo yung space. Kung paano namin siya unang pinagtagpi-tagpi para makabuo ng geography at environment at world need ng Bar Boys.
By the way guys, I have a new tumbler. Ayan, nilagyan ko na ng Bar Boys stickers. Bago to guys, binili ko specifically for Bar Boys. Cheers.
Direk Miko, kamusta ka naman?
Ang boses.
Wala siyang boses guys, kailangan natin lumapit. Kamusta ka naman?
One like, one
Ba't parang ang lungkot mo? Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Guys, tingnan nyo kasi ano dito, focus, tapos may ganon. Hindi yan edit guys. Ano lang yan. Ang ganda. Oops. At pauwi na tayo, nagkakape ka pa talaga.
Siyempre.
Kailangan niyang gising.
Kailangan gising kasi kailangan natin ng workout after.
Wow.
Kasi nag-build tayo ng stamina. Diba?
Wow.
Kasi all new staging to guys. Ito basta kung ano.
Wala nga pala kasi ako.
Ganun yun.
Ganun ba yun?
Kailangan lume-level up pati yung mga katawan.
Parang ang dugo ko lang yung lumilevel up.
Pataas na pala.
Actually, mas dugo niya. Good morning! Hoy, ang aga ko. Hindi ako sanay. Guys, hindi ako sanay ang aga ko.
Happy Burmans!
Happy Burmans.
You look late!
Ano ibig sabihin ng Burmans?
Benedix E. Ramos.
Warm up. Good morning! Natulog.
I'm not gonna lie, ramdam ko na talaga yung tito energy ko.
Mas! Makeup ka! Mas! Okay, so
Pero sabi nga nila, hindi naman tayo pinalaki ng sex bomb para magpatalo. Kaya kahit anong mangyari, get out.
In law school kasi, hindi pa bebe ang law school.
Yes. Kanina yan?
Hindi sila nagbabayad sa amin so hindi namin sila sponsoran.
Kanina yan? Wait lang. Kung ano yung pangalan?
Kay Eric. Pero si Chris, yung
yung pilot, tinutulog.
Tell me you're a theater actor without telling me you're a theater actor. Ang OOA. Minsan talaga napapaisip ako kung healthy pa ba sa akin tong ganitong environment. I feel like, I don't know. Hindi ko na rin alam. Bahala na kayong umintindi sa mga taong to. Kung may nabibiling theater energy capsule sa mga butika, huwag nyo nga abusuhin ha.
Ano pong pangalan niyo?
Hindi mo ako kilala, babe. Ito, pag nasira yung upuan, siya po yung sisihin niya po, SM.
Sorry po.
Ano masasabi mo sa SM pag nasira mo pa?
Sige, try ko sa'yo.
Sige.
Wait lang. Sorry.
Wait lang, matawa si Ilong.
Ayan, nag-moist tuloy.
Matayos daw yung
Benedict! Dinigit niya sa ilong niya.
Kinampas niyo sa ilong ko. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo.
Oh my God.
Blood natin yung blatter ako.
Parang may porn. Parang may Japanese porn. We're done for today. Yes, ma'am.
Sabi ang saya ng energy namin today.
Yes. What is the kind of energy? Paano energy?
Feels so energetic. It's like this.
Wow, alam mo, si Denise ang dami ng ginagawa na ayaw niya isama sa
Guys, gusto niyo bang i-feature ko ulit yung birds ko?
tiny birds lang. Nakuha ko yung bird ko i-feature ko.
Okay. Lisa Manalo, Philippines.
Parang nabukhang natalo today. Masaya ka?
Sobrang sweet po.
Anong kasalanan mo?
Umutot po ka na.
Butog ka kanina?
Everything.
Everywhere warm up. It's called branding.
Ba? Sige, ay babranding na kitang ututin. Gusto ko yung pauwi ka na pero nagkakape ka dyan sa ano.
Magkape. Iba, sorry, bawal pala sabi.
Okay lang yun.
Magkape. Si Rob yun.
Hindi ikaw yan.
Hindi, si Patricia to. Pero si Becky na to.
Oh, ang dami.
Ito.
Oh, sino na yan?
Si Eric.
Ay, wow! Ang pogi mo naman, Eric.
Wah!
Wala akong pake.
Lakong pake!
Ba't mataray yung Eric mo?
Sorry, mali. Sorry po, direct.
We are in Read the Law. We are students of today.
Jumpscare parang, pag pumapasok ako sa frame, parang jumpscare kasi nagugulat ako.
Nagugulat ka sa sarili. Congratulations, Gawad Buhay.
Cited.
Cited.
I cited myself.
Cited Gawad Buhay. Sheena Bellarmino. Next to
Kaming
normal.
dalawa! Kaming dalawa!
Yes, thank you. Phil Stage. Gawad Buhay. To our next to normal family.
We love you. This is for you.
Congrats to us. Next to normal.
Thank you for letting us be seen and heard.
Yes.
You know what's the best thing about theater? It's the support system built within the company that's unlike any other. Napapalibutan ka ng mga taong susuportahan ka dahil naiintindihan ka. Gets na gets ka. Yung kahit kahinaan mo kaya mong ipakita dahil alam mong hindi ka naman nag-iisa. Sama-samang hinaharap ang kahinaan dahil alam namin na mas malakas kapag sama-sama.
I was a little nervous kanina because I was trying to do the front and back roll and I couldn't get to do it. Parang I couldn't do it at first, but then a lot of people actually lahat kayo, they cheered me. and super, you guys like hyped me up, and so I did it. And ayun, parang after that, na-inspire na ako the whole day. It just shows na how inspiring the environment is and encouraging the environment is here in Barefoot. Wow! Wala kasing time to check your phones and stuff during rehearsals, but like the conversations I have with each of the people here, and especially the past few days, have been like such a blessing and have been such a parang you get to know all these people in and out of the theater. Just like what we always repeat, it is a safe space, but it's also a brave space. So keep doing and to keep creating and to keep the drive and passion alive. Yun, I'm thankful for today and for the many more days to come. To more music and memories with everyone.
Lalaki uwi mag-CR.
Ano daw?
Go kayo! Natae ako!
Huwag kang mag-alala, walang nakapila.
Okay, atong kayo malasisihan pag matagal.
Oo, hindi ka.
No, we're just recording,
recording
something, and you're recorded na.
Oh,
Makikita na sa...
may tao pala.
Hello!
May tao pala dito.
Ang daming nang... Ganito pala sa Barefoot.
1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Anong masasabi niyo sa spins ni Benedict's?
Teka. Hilo pa ako ah.
Hilo ka? 10 out of 10. Ikaw?
Hilo pa ako ah.
Hilo? Nahilo ka for him.
Ay, nagsishake pa.
Hindi pa ako nakaano sa Rahul.
Ba't kasi nagbubukas ka ng pinto nang hindi ka pa naka-close ng zipper mo?
My fault. I take accountability.
Victim blaming.
Come around. Keep your thumb on the base. Back. Yeah, double Windsor. See?
Perfect.
Thanks.
Stick.
Welcome sa'yo.
Congratulations.
Umabot ka sa grade 1. Umabot ka sa grade 1. Ano grade 1? Yan, pasok ka na kahit mas matanda ka sa mga kaklase mong 5 years old.
Ingat na, ingat.
Grade 2 pa lang ako.
What you're hearing right now is my favorite song from Barboys the Musical. This is one of my favorite numbers because I feel so empowered every time I hear this song because I am karapat-dapat and you are karapat-dapat.
Ay, sobrang ganda ng set. So, ko lang sabihin, sobrang ganda ng set. As in, parang nakaka-excite. Hindi ko na alam actually kung paano siya gaganong-ganon, pero grabe, as in, i-blip mo ito, pero putang ina, grabe, ang ganda ng
Hindi ko i-blip yan. Okay lang.
sobrang ganda, di ba, Dix? Parang
Sobra. We are keeping up. And who would have thought that Barboys would be this spectacular? I mean, with all new staging, there's definitely a big change because we really poured our hearts here. Hindi na kami nagbibiro. Ba't naman kami magbibiro in the first place? Well, for the previous runs naman, we did not play around. But we showed you the story. Now we're giving you the world.
Nag-record sila ng content.
Hi,
Para sa September 14. Wala akong yan.
Go! Arellano Chiefs!
ilang tulog na lang.
Barna! Ang sigaw natin na! 1, 2, 3, and ang layo na ng ating narating.
Wala na to. Wala na to.
Kita
Magkakita tayo sa post-bar party!
September 14 sa Alalia.
Birthday ko yun. Birthday ko. Guys, batiin niyo ako happy birthday sa September 14.
Dixie May! I love you, Dixie May!
That was aggressive.
I love you, Dixie May!
Ilang taon ka na, Benedict?
Ay, gago ka ba?
Hello, my name is Regina De Vera. I am an intimacy director, and today, September 5, Friday, I just gave an intimacy workshop for Bar Boys, the musical. Grabe ang saya niya. You can feel the ensemble, such positive energy and such openness. And simula pa lang na-feel ko, oh, this is gonna be a fun workshop. So, they hired me to give an intimacy workshop to then equip all performers on how to go about asking for consent, declaring boundaries, and the importance of cultivating a consent-forward space in their creative process to take from here and beyond Bar Boys the musical.
Sobrang laking factor nung may trust ka sa kasama mo or like sa partner mo, sa scene man or kahit ano. And ano siya, nakakatuwa na alam mo sa sarili mo na pwede kang mag-yes and pwede kang mag-no. Like, sobrang magiging comfortable ka saying yes. And okay lang din sa'yo mag-no kasi alam mo na yung person na yun, given the trust, hindi niya mamasaman.
And this is something that would be great if this is a standard practice across all theater companies, because by creating a safe space, you bring the joy back in creating live theater. We can rekindle the love that made us go to theater in the first place because we feel safe to play, knowing that kung may mahuhulog man tayo, may sasagot.
Every day we make a decision to show up. And I guess it's not just about showing up. It's about being in the present, here and now. And slowly, day by day, we get to appreciate the gift of presence that creates real connection, that builds trust, and eventually becomes home. It becomes a part of you that you almost feel incomplete without it. And that the beauty of every moment comes from each and everyone's generosity and energy.
Bakit ito? Lumayo ka, multo!
Humingang malalim, umikit na muna.
Eh di nabangga kung pumikit. Pwede bang tumakas muna papuntang Baguio? Yes? Cute ba ako? Ka nakatingin?